Camping is an incredible way to connect with nature, but having the right gear can make all the difference. Whether you're an experienced adventurer or a weekend camper, innovative camping inventions can enhance your outdoor experience, making it more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. From solar-powered cooking solutions to ultra-lightweight sleeping gear, modern technology has transformed the way we camp. In this list, we've gathered 10 incredible camping inventions that are designed to improve safety, convenience, and sustainability in the wilderness. Get ready to discover must-have gear that will take your camping trips to the next level. Go Sun Go Portable Camping Stove is a compact, solar-powered cooker designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want a hassle-free cooking experience. Using solar energy, this fuel-free stove can reach temperatures up to 288 degrees Celsius, allowing you to cook meals in as little as 20 to 30 minutes. It works in cloudy conditions too, thanks to its vacuum tube technology that retains heat efficiently. Weighing just 2 pounds, this ultra-lightweight and portable stove is perfect for backpacking, camping, or emergency preparedness. The easy-to-use design lets you bake, steam, or roast a variety of foods with zero emissions and no need for gas, charcoal, or wood. With its durable and eco-friendly build, the Go Sun Go is an excellent survival tool for those who want a sustainable and efficient way to cook outdoors. Say goodbye to fuel hassles, just unfold, place your food inside, and let the sun do the work. The Helinox Chair Zero is the ultimate ultralight camping chair, offering a perfect balance of comfort, durability, and portability. Weighing only 1.1 pounds, this chair is light enough for backpacking, yet strong enough to support up to 265 pounds. Its high-strength aluminum frame ensures stability while keeping the weight to a minimum. Designed for easy setup, the Chair Zero features a shock-corded pull structure that allows you to assemble it in seconds. The breathable, ripstop fabric provides excellent comfort while ensuring durability for long-term use. When packed, it compresses to a compact size that fits easily into a backpack. Ideal for hikers, campers, and outdoor adventurers, the Helinox Chair Zero lets you rest in comfort without extra bulk. Whether you're at a campsite, a beach, or on a trail, this lightweight yet sturdy chair ensures you have a comfortable place to sit anytime, anywhere. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a smokeless, wood-burning stove that not only cooks your meals, but also generates electricity. With its built-in thermoelectric generator, this compact stove converts heat into usable energy, allowing you to charge your phone or other USB devices while cooking. The integrated battery stores power for later use, and the LED dashboard provides real-time feedback on fire strength and power output. Designed for eco-conscious campers, the Camp Stove 2 runs on twigs, pine cones, or biomass, eliminating the need for gas canisters. It also comes with a flexible USB light, making nighttime cooking more convenient. Lightweight, efficient, and packed with innovative technology, this stove is perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. Whether you need a reliable cooking solution or a way to stay connected off-grid, the BioLite Camp Stove 2 is a must-have addition to your gear. The LiQWYD Packlight Max is a solar-powered inflatable lantern designed for campers, hikers, and emergency preparedness. This waterproof, lightweight, and compact lantern provides up to 150 lumens of bright LED light, making it perfect for lighting up campsites, tents, or outdoor gatherings. It features 5 brightness settings, including a flashing mode for emergencies. One of its standout features is its built-in solar panel, which allows it to recharge using sunlight, or you can charge it via USB for a quicker power boost. The long battery life offers up to 50 hours of illumination, ensuring reliable lighting when you need it most. When deflated, it packs flat, taking up minimal space in your gear. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or preparing for a power outage, the LiQWYD Packlight Max is an energy-efficient, durable, and eco-friendly lighting solution that ensures you never get left in the dark. Stay hydrated in the wild with the Grail LiQWYD 710 ml water filter bottle. Whether you're hiking, camping, or navigating survival scenarios, this portable powerhouse makes any water source drinkable in seconds. The LiQWYD is designed to eliminate 99.99% of all bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, ensuring your water is safe, clean, and free from contaminants. With its easy-to-use design, simply fill, squeeze, and drink, no pumps, chemicals, or complicated setup required. It also removes harmful particles, microplastics, and chemicals like chlorine and benzene, improving the taste and clarity of your water. The LiQWYD is perfect for emergencies, travel, and outdoor adventures, as it can clean 710 milliliters of water at a time, and its filter lasts for up to 250 liters. Gear up with the Grail LiQWYD, where clean water meets convenience wherever your journey takes you.